Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to construct a scale of RF 1/200 long enough to measure 32.5 meters. Draw a triangle ABC, AB 8.5 meter, BC 20.8 meter and CA 18.4 meter using the above scale. First we'll write given data, that is representative fraction, which is 1/200. Then we'll see maximum length. It is 32.5 meter. So we'll take 40 meter. Always remember, we will always round off. Then length of scale formula. Length of scale is equal to RF into ml. RF is 1/200 into 40 into 100, which will be 20 centimeter. So I will draw a 20 centimeter long line. So you draw 20 centimeter long line and height you take 5 centimeter and you complete the rectangle. Then we have to divide this box into 4 parts because maximum length is 40 meter. Then you divide the first block into 10 parts. After that you mark vertical distance downward. This is 10, 20, 30. This is 40 meters. So here both the sides it will be meter. So what we'll do, we'll mark the points down. We won't be drawing straight line because it's a diagonal scale sum. So we need to join 0 to 1. So first we will mark the division. That means we have divided the lower line also into 10 parts. We'll write 2, 4, 6, 8 and upper side we'll write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now we'll join 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. That way we will keep on doing it. So 9 to 10 like this. Then we'll divide the vertical line, which is 5 centimeter into 10 parts. So I'll take 5 millimeter. And I will draw horizontal line. You write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will write meter, meter and decimeter and RF. RF is 1/200. So remember here meter will come because when you divide 40 meter into 10 parts, you get 10 each. and then you divide 10 into 10 parts, so you get 1 meter. So that's how it is, meter on both the sides, and the vertical line you are dividing into 10 parts, so you'll get decimeter. Now you have to mark 8.5, so 8 from here, 1 2 3 4 5, so this is 8.5, AB 8.5. Then 20.8, so 20, 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so this is B and this is C. So B to C is how much? 20.8 meter, and C to A is 18.4, so 10, 8, 1 2 3 4, this is C and A. Now when you draw horizontal line, I have made a mistake. Instead of CA should be shorter, that I will correct. First you will take B to C and you cut on it. This is B, this is C. After that, now I need to take C to A. How much is B to C? 20.8 meter. Same way, if I want to mark 18.4, which is CA, this is 8.5 meter and 18.4. But if you see 18.4, it should be only till that line where we have 10, this point. So this was my error. So you just do it till A, this point. This you remove. So C to A is 18.4. So you take that distance and you cut from C. And then you take A to B and you cut from B. So join A to B and C to A. So this is how you'll get triangle. So I hope you people have understood this. You can do dimensioning. Thank you.